Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen if you are new here, and if you are not, welcome back. So for today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys what I actually recently realized is my ultimate favorite, absolute favorite foundation. And I realized it was my absolute favorite foundation because I have 5 bottles of them. 5 bottles of the same foundation, different shades, but 5 bottles. The foundation we are talking about is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. Okay, so let me share with you guys the 5. Okay, we have 5 for different reasons. Okay, the shades that are like on extreme ends, the super light and the super dark, the 332 super light and the 380 super dark, used for, I guess I was just like playing around, because this is definitely 100% not my shade. This is also 100% not my shade. I've used the 330 to contour with, and I've used the 332 to highlight with. The main shades that I use are the 365 and the 368. I have 2 of 1. Okay, and so yeah, 5 of these. Now when you have 5 of something, that means you must like it, right? I mean, not even like, you must like really freaking love it. Okay, so and it didn't really occur to me. I was just like, it was just a product that I kept repurchasing. There are some products that you just naturally repurchase because you use it so much, you don't even realize that, oh my god, I freaking love this stuff. Okay, so this foundation, I think it retails for about $5. So whenever I fly into the States, I always leave with 1 or 2, usually 2, apparently this time 5. I don't know how I got here, but I'm here. Okay, I'm here. So whenever I'm home, I try to pick up a couple, but it retails for about $5. I usually get mine at Walmart or Target, Walmart or Rite Aid, but I believe they also have a Target and other drugstore. I love this foundation simply because the color range is bomb, the coverage is bomb. It's medium and it's buildable coverage, so I like to apply a second layer around my mouth because that's a bit darker, and when I want to cover my beauty mark, that's what it's called, yeah, whenever I want to cover my beauty mark, I apply a second layer there. I absolutely love this foundation. Okay, and I have currently 15 foundations like sitting in front of me, 15, but this is the only brand where I have multiples of it, 5 to be exact. Okay, so that should tell you that it's A1. Okay, it's so good. I think my only problem is simply that I do not like the dispenser, I suppose you would call it. Like, it's messy. Like, having it like this is really messy. I don't like to pour foundations on my hands anymore because I'm wearing a white shirt. Like, do you know how bad or how quick that could like end up really effed up? So I think my only downside to that foundation is simply because I just don't like the way it pours. I wish it had a doe foot applicator, that would be bomb, or a pump, but that's the only bad part about this foundation. Okay, it's super affordable. I can find it at any drugstore. Great coverage, wonderful color range. I don't look ashy or gray. It's doing what it's marketing. It's marketing as a matte foundation, and it is matte. I mean, what's there not to love? Why else do I have 5? So that is my absolute favorite foundation, hands down, or all 5 hands down. Go ahead and let me know your absolute favorite foundation down below. I can go ahead and check out some new products. And that is it for today's video. That is my absolute favorite.